Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, is an often invisible but deeply felt wound of war. It's a mental health condition triggered by unimaginable experiences, combat, loss, explosions, and near-death events. For veterans, PTSD can manifest as relentless nightmares, anxiety, and emotional numbness. Many of us relive those terrifying moments through flashbacks, trapped in a cycle of fear and despair. But today, I want to remind you that breaking free from this cycle is possible. The journey to reclaiming your mind and your life is not easy, but it's worth every step. I know the struggle firsthand. The world may feel dangerous, every corner threatening, leaving you in a state of exhausting hypervigilance. It's hard to find peace, hard to feel safe. But I'm here to tell you that it's okay to struggle, it's okay to fight. Each deep breath, each moment you remind yourself of where you are, is a victory. Surround yourself with those you trust, and together, we can reclaim that sense of control. The feelings of unworthiness, shame, and guilt can be overwhelming. You may blame yourself for things that were beyond your control, or carry the crushing weight of survivor's guilt, wondering why you survived when others didn't. But hear me when I say this, PTSD is not a sign of weakness. It is your mind responding to the unthinkable, and with time, effort, and courage, you can heal. Seeking help is a powerful act of strength, a testament to the resilience of your spirit. You are not alone in this fight. For many veterans, including myself, there's a deep sense of injustice. We risked our lives, witnessed horrors, and sacrificed more than most will ever know. Yet, returning home can feel like entering a world that's indifferent to our sacrifices. Broken promises, inadequate healthcare, and societal misunderstanding can erode your faith in the very institutions you fought to protect. It's a betrayal that cuts deep, leaving you feeling used, discarded, and forgotten. But let me be clear, your sacrifices matter. Your feelings are valid. And you are not alone. The world may move on, but we are here, bound together by our shared experiences. This journey of healing is long and challenging, but every step forward is a testament to your strength. To all those still suffering in silence, I urge you to reach out. There is power in speaking your truth, and you'll be surprised at who can relate. The road to healing is not a straight path, but with each step, you grow stronger. Embrace the journey, and know that it's okay to lean on others. We're in this together, and I'm glad you're here.